Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ghetto Nachos. First, gather your essential ingredients: a bag of tortilla chips, your favorite shredded cheese, and a cooked protein like ground beef or canned chili. You'll also need a microwave-safe plate and, of course, a microwave. Don't forget to prepare any desired toppings, such as sliced jalapenos, salsa, or a dollop of sour cream, to have them ready for later. This simple approach ensures a quick and satisfying snack. Now, let's start building your delicious creation. Begin by arranging a single, even layer of tortilla chips on your microwave-safe plate. Don't overcrowd them. You want every chip to get some cheesy goodness. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of your chosen shredded cheese evenly over the chips. Finally, distribute your cooked protein, whether it's seasoned ground beef or chili, across the cheese layer. This layering ensures every bite is packed with flavor. With your nachos layered, it's time for the magic. Place your plate into the microwave and heat it for approximately 30 to 60 seconds. Keep a close eye on them. You're looking for the cheese to be perfectly melted and gooey, but not burnt. Once done, carefully remove the hot plate. Now, it's time to customize. Add your favorite toppings like fresh salsa, zesty jalapenos, or cool sour cream for that extra kick. And there you have it. Your quick and easy Ghetto Nachos are ready to be devoured. Serve them immediately to enjoy the warm, melty cheese and crispy chips at their best. These simple nachos are perfect for a late-night snack, a quick lunch, or when you just need something satisfying without much fuss. They prove that delicious food doesn't always require a lot of time or fancy ingredients. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.